Hi everyone, I'm your interview buddy Raghavi from Quantumnique. Dealing with messy, giant C files? Let's organize them using custom header files. Header files separate what a function looks like from how it actually works. We use .h for declarations and .c for the actual logic. Here's mathutils.h. We simply declare our add function here. This makes our code modular, reusable, and much easier to read. In mathutils.c, we provide the actual implementation. This separation is crucial for managing large-scale C projects efficiently. Now in main.c, we include our custom file using double quotes. This directs the compiler to check our project directory first. Why quotes? Use angle brackets for system libraries and double quotes for your own local files. It's a classic interview question. Quiz time! Custom header files are included using A. Angle brackets, B. Double quotes, C. #run, or D. @include. The correct answer is B. Double quotes are specifically for your local project headers. Follow for more C programming tips explained simply. Check our GitHub for the full code. See you in the next episode.